So, good morning, people of the internet. Today I'm going to intentionally put myself through hardship, torture, pain, and there'll probably be a lot of swearing. There will be swearing. Such an idiot. Yep, I got the bulb out. So the problem lies in there, and yeah, all it is changing a headlight bulb. Simple, eh? Any one problem. It's right down there, right inside, and basically you can't see a thing, you can't get your fingers on it, you're just running by feel really. Now I have tried this both ways. I did have the control units go on me and I had to take the bumper off, and I changed the bulbs at the same time, and I have struggled my way through in the past changing the bulb without taking the bumper off and without taking the headlight out. Today I choose to struggle. Yeah, as I said, yeah, I'm an idiot. Right, let's get on with it. Good start. So already I've dropped the bloody torch. Right, torch retrieved, let's try again. Right, so what we're going to do first of all, let's try and get you in here as best as possible, is that clip there needs to go off. That then releases the trapdoor, which falls in the inner wheel well cavity. Oh Jesus. Yeah, when you're doing that, mind you don't drop it in the inside cavity in there of your inside of your wheel well. Next. Right, so we've had a good start. Let's get you in there. So the bulb is actually back there. Now this isn't difficult to get out. The problem you've got, I'll try and get you right in there, there is a wire in the bottom. That wire gives you about 0.5 millimetre to actually manipulate it back into the slot again. So when you take the bulb out, you're doing this all by feel and touch, and trying to get that back in the bottom again is entertaining. Let me show you. I'm going to go grope around on the clip. You can hear that spring. So that's the spring clip that holds it in. I'm going to pull the wire off the bottom, which says with the greatest of confidence. Hope you're enjoying this as much as I am. Yeah, just pulling the wire off the bottom. Yeah, okay. Just pulling the wire off the bottom. Backing them in. You know it's going to be a bad day when you've done this, the plug on the bulb just pops off. But this time it's in there rock solid, so I can only assume it somehow welded itself on there. Gee, it looks like it's going to have to be the headlight out. This is not turning out to be a nice 5-minute job. So I give in. This is so bizarre. Those plugs usually pop off the bottom. Let me show you on an old bulb. All you've got is that on the bottom, and usually they just pop in, and then when you pull them they pop out again. This one, the outside covers come off, and it will not now let me take it off. So it looks like a headlamp out, and to get the headlamp out, it's that screw there. There's a cheeky little one in there, and then obviously it's bumper out, so it's that one over there, that one at the end. And I think if I take the inner fender screws out enough, I've got enough leverage to sort of pull the bumper out enough to get it to where I want it to be. Bear with, yeah, like I said, it's going to be a lot of bloody swearing in this video. So there you go, it is out. Just a bit of a recap. So you've got one in there that holds that side, the sneaky one I forgot about, that in there, which you basically go through that hole in the top there, that sneaky one in there, and obviously that one at the top there, which you can see. like I say, you can undo the clip on the side, you can undo the front, and you can get enough room to get the thing sprung out. I want to be really careful because it's only just had the front end sprayed and I don't want to mark it up, but I think I've done okay. Alright, let's get this bulb out. All this hassle for a bulb. Thank you, Audi. So there you go, it's on the bench, you can see what's happened. The outer shield seems to have come off. For some reason the plug won't come out, so yes, I think a little gentle persuasion is needed. Bear with. And wouldn't you know it, a flat blade screwdriver soon got it off. Why couldn't you do that a minute ago? Bloody Audis. Right, tidied up in there, new bulb in. There you go, not easy. Clip on there. And the clip on there. So there you go. 2 clips that hold it in, and that offending wire is the pain in the backside that makes this job so difficult. Right, we're going to plug it back in again and then get the headlight back in and put the car back together. Simple 5-minute job, not a problem. And that, as you can see, is the reason why it's so difficult. Look at that angle. Yeah, there is a, I don't know if you can see it, there is a clip. Let me get the torch, hold on a second. Right, so as you can see, hopefully, there is a clip up there that the wire goes around, and you can loosen it from there a bit to give yourself a little bit of extra slack. But obviously when the car is all together and you're trying to do this in situ, it doesn't work. Right, let's get this plug back on because I'm starting to get fed up with this job now. There you go, back in again. And for anybody that doesn't know where the ballast box is, it's right just there. So if you need to change that ballast at any point, which I had to last time, that's where it's situated and that's where you've got to get to. So it's bumper off, headlights out. Bulbs, like I say, you can do them in situ, but this particular one fought me. Oh well. Now of course, before I go through the pain of putting this all back together, yeah, I'm going to check it. So tonight on Audi Plane Spotting Live, we have the light there. Well, that's some good news, at least it works. Right, let's hold it back in the hole again. And there you go, just a 5-minute job. It's in, it's bolted up, it's ready to go. I guess I should check it again, make sure that they work. Now I've got it all back together, because if it doesn't, there's going to be a lot of swearing. Let's have a look. Key on, lights on. No bleeps. And we have light. Bright light. There you go, internet. So yeah, as you can see, I did put myself through quite a bit of pain, anguish, and there was a little bit of swearing. Not much. And I cut my finger. Feel sorry for me, please do. I'm now going to do something a little bit more enjoyable. I don't know what that's going to be with the lockdown going on, but I'll find something. Like and subscribe, people. Chat to you soon.